Hey guys, it's Beatles Sunday. You know what that means, right? It means fun with the Beatles. And today is no exception. I'm dedicating this song to my friend Michael. He's always complaining about the rain. You know what I say, right? Get yourself an umbrella and just get ready, because it's always raining somewhere. When the rain comes, they run and hide their heads. They might as well be dead. When the rain comes, when the rain comes, when the sun shines, they slip into the shade, sipping lemonade. When the sun shines, when the sun shines, rain, I don't mind. Shine, the weather's fine. Show you that when it starts to rain, everything's the same. I can show you, I can show you rain. I don't mind. Fine. Can you hear me? That when it starts to rain, everything's the same. I can show you, I can show you rain. Fine, just a state of mind, just a state of mind. Alright, that's for you, Michael, okay? I'm gonna buy you an umbrella, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna buy you a sump pump too, no problem. Hey, they say it's bad luck to open an umbrella in the house, but you know what? I don't believe in that superstitious stuff, you know. Anyway, you guys, like I always say, enjoy your loved ones, keep them nice and close, and always remember, you listen to one or two Beatles songs every day, because you know what? It's good for the soul. Now make it a good Sunday. Peace, guys.